everyone, today I'm going to share with you some more wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. All ideas are unique and new. I hope you will like these ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. I always try to bring some innovative and unique ideas for you. Hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know from which country you are watching my channel. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. Till then, bye-bye.